Okay, so the biggest thing with meal prep is to have your meat ready, to have your scale, and I'm going to show you the easiest trick for me. But in the meantime, the drink I have is my pink drink, which I love. I always have to have something with me when I'm cooking. So here we go. The trick is to put your container on there, then zero it out. Zero on the scale. Then I begin to add, and see how it's just like fluffy. So I add to what my goals are, and of course I meal prep for my husband, so he gets the same. Perfect. Oh. Hold up. And then this is the beauty of being able to meal prep, is because you will be able to add and take away. So I reset it and add my ounces. Oh shoot, don't want to drop it outside. There we go. Okay, so here it is ready. The other thing we meal prep is, or I measure, is sweet potato. I microwave this for about, depending on the size, I start at 5 minutes and then I go up to 8 minutes, and then it's just super soft. So what I do with the sweet potato is I zero it out again. So now I have my meat, zero it out. This potato is just done, it's ready. So I'm gonna measure out what I eat, which yours may vary on your meal plan, but this is how simple I do it. So there's one, let's see, almost, just dropped it. Okay, perfect. So that's what we do to measure that. And then the last trick that I love is I use frozen vegetables. So I'm not cooking very much. You're gonna make a mess. So for me, I need a cup of broccoli. This is half a cup, so there's one. And I need another one. So let me grab that. So like I said, and the nice thing about this is you can just throw it back in the freezer and then get what you need as you go. Okay, whoops. So that's about a cup. Okay, done. All this extra, done. Meal prep done. I almost have 2 meals already done. I should get about 1 to 2 more meals out of this, and then I'm done for about 2-3 days. I actually do cook more turkey than one container so that I can have enough for my kids. But that's the tip of the day. I wanted to show you quick meal prepping. And then at the end, this was the key. At the end, remember we had no salt. I do the Himalayan sea salt. And we just add the salt. And that's it. We're done. We're ready to close this up. All right, thank you all. Have a good day.